Good morning to everybody that's been following this. Here is my next video for my speedaire air compressor conversion. I had this Predator 420cc engine given to me. I went and bought this air compressor pump from Harbor Freight. It's up to 145 psi. I'm about to have to drill some holes today, so I'm having to make sure that my pulley is square, and it's at 1 and 27/32 on this side on my tape from the frame, and also on this side it's at 1 and 27/32. So that tells me my pulley is square with the frame of my air compressor. So without having these bolts here, what I did is I took a punch and put it in there, a small punch, and punched a center point in there. And this morning I'm going to drill some holes for some bolts, and I also have to do it to the engine on the back bolts, but I'll have to do a layout for those. I can't get my punch in there, and in a future video I will show how to do a layout of bolt holes. I'm about to take this pump off of here, and I already have the center point punch, and then I'm going to drill out the holes for it. So stand by.